Greetings, welcome back again. We have another one today, man. So, today we're gonna do something different. We're gonna make some dumpling and some brown stew chicken. Yes, dumpling with a twist though. This one is different. It's a shout out towards Colaz Smith TV. He brought this to my attention. I've never seen these kind of dumpling before. So you can check out his channel and he's got these on there. So today we're gonna put some squash. So we got butternut squash gonna go into the dumpling. This is something different. I've never done this before. I've never seen it before, so I'm gonna try this one out today. And you cook it down in coconut milk and you season it up and everything, but I never had enough coconut milk, so I'll put some water in the pot. And it's kind of like a soup, or if you know Jamaican culture, it's like a rundown. So you cook it up in coconut milk. You can put anything in the pot. It's up to you, like hard food or provision. You can put in the pot. So today I have some like sweet potato I have in the pot with the dumpling and stuff. So I'm gonna roll with that and work with it. And you see how it comes out. Trust me, you guys should try this one. This one is legendary, man. Try it, man. It's nice. Yeah, like I was saying, if you have coconut milk like in abundant, this should be all coconut milk, no water at all. But obviously I never had enough coconut milk, so I have to add water. But this should be all milk. All you cook with is just milk, and that's how you do it. Yeah, man. So I'll just clean up the chicken now, get them ready. Just got some chicken breasts, not much. Like I said, it's a small pot. You don't need to do a whole heap. It's up to you how much you cook it. But this, I'll just clean up the meat and stuff and get it prepared up, nice and seasoned up and thing, get it ready. Yeah, man, you know how we do. We gonna season this to the bone. You know how it is. You have to make it nice and flavorful, man. Yeah, man. Season it up proper. Leave it to marinate. Yeah, man. Alright, I'll leave that to marinate now. Yes, man, so now you just chop up all your natural seasoning, your carrot. I put some little baby potatoes in there. Everything you chop up. And now this is where you add all this natural seasoning to the dumpling pot and to your chicken. So you mix it. So you season up your dumpling pot like you're making a soup. So this is where you get them flavors from the natural season inside That dumpling pot is serious, man. Serious thing. Yeah, man. So now I add my coconut milk. Like I said before, if you have enough coconut milk, that's all you use, no water. So just cook with just the milk alone. But I never had enough, so I only have 2. Plus I couldn't find any proper coconut where you can, grate it, or you just the natural coconut. You know how it goes, where you blend it out or grate it and juice it, and you get the proper flavor with that proper thing. But hey, I just have to work with what I have, man. So I just have to make it work with this. But it still tastes nice. Yeah, man. It's still nice it up, man. Yes, like I said, I've just added turmeric. This is optional, you don't have to. I just add it because I like turmeric. So I just add it, it gives you a different flavor as well. So all these seasoning is optional. It's up to you what you want to add and just make it work. Alright, I'm gonna make my dumpling now. So you see the butternut squash that I blended up earlier. This is what I'm gonna use to make my dough. So you don't use any water, you use just the butternut squash. Depending on the volume you use, depending on the volume of the dumpling you're making anyway. But most of the time, you just need just that butternut squash you blend it up, and that would basically use as your water. So I just add a little bit of salt to the dough, to the flour, and just use the butternut squash and knead it up, and you see how it come out nice. Yes, look at what I was saying. Like, look, the dough comes out nice, man. You see that richness from the butternut squash. You don't need no water, because when you blend the butternut squash, you put a bit of water in there, so you don't need to put no more. And that's it. It comes out lovely, nice. Hey, listen, you see when I bust that lid off that pot, my word, the flavor just lick your head off, man. I'm telling you, it smells so sweet, man. I'm telling you. But here, man, me a go on, man. Me a try do some local roll and press, as Colaz Smith would say. But them no look like no roll and press at all. Them not pretty at all. But you know how you have to just try see a way. But it's crazy, man. But you know, I have some children that they're weird, like they're weird, like they don't like the proper dumpling how we, you know, roll it out and press it out. They have to have the roll up one. If you don't have the roll up one in the pot, they don't want it. They're weird. I don't know, they like the roll up ones. Yeah, man. Get ready for the chicken. Get the oil up and running. See that? Get them nice and brown. As you know, we're doing brown stew chicken. So we brown up the chicken first, and then you stew it down, or you cook it down, I should say. And we roll like that, man. Yeah, man. Poopa Jesus, Lord God, me crocodile tail. You know what? If you don't know, who do brown stew chicken? You don't know what? Somebody tell me what me forget. Me have the brown stew chicken and me no put something on the chicken. Tell me what? The goddamn brown and me forget to put it on the chicken. By God, but it's alright. We still like a rustle it up same way. We just put it on the local ground seasoning them, and it still like a taste nice. Me I tell you, all me forget to put it on the chicken. Me can't believe. Yeah, man, here comes the main ingredient now, ketchup. Jamaican can't do without ketchup. Ketchup going on everything. Yeah, man, get some ketchup in there and leave that to simmer down. Yes, man. Alright, when it comes to the dumpling pot, you need to keep an eye on it and keep stirring it. Because remember now, you want it to boil down, to come down to like a gravy, to make that thick gravy. So not like a soup where it's watery, you need to make it boil down to like a thick gravy. So you have to keep an eye, because the dumpling them will start stick to the pot bottom and thing. So just keep an eye on it, keep stirring it up. When it gets to like a nice, thick gravy, that's when you know it's done. When the dumpling them cook, them a float on the top. So them ready, them good to go, man. So they don't take long. So just keep an eye on it, and Yeah, man, pot land now, man. So mess about the gravy thing. So just look how everything just settle down now and draw down and gravy thick. That's what you want it to be like. You can even leave it it's up to you how thick you want it, but make it nice and thick so you can use it as a gravy, because you can eat these dumplings by themselves. You even need no meat with it. You can eat it as it is. You roll with that, man. Yeah, man. I tell you, man, the flavor we come out of it's amazing, man. So you just rustle that up, man, and go on. Like I said before, big up to Colaz TV. Enough respect, man. One love. Yeah, man, everything come down nice. Look for me brown stew chicken. Hey, it look nice and brown. Even though me forget to put it on the chicken first, but it still tastes nice. Look on me. Gravy nice and thing. It thick up and thing. Look on the star. Hey, you should smell that right now, man. I tell you, it a kick.